Have you been involved in a trucking accident here in Florida and you don't know what you can recover? Well, then this video is for you. So if you have unfortunately been a victim of a truck crash and the truck was at fault, what kind of damages can you get from the trucking company in their insurance policies? Medical bills to start. A lot of times with these trucking cases, the cases I've had, they're catastrophic injuries. Many times you're going to need care for the rest of your life, and that costs a lot of money. And so medical bills, lost wages. Have you been gone from work? Are you unable to work in the future? Are you ever going to be able to work again? Those are things that we can get you compensated for, that you have the right to be compensated for from the trucking company, from their insurance policies. But really, the value driver in these cases is the value of your pain and suffering. Because if you've suffered catastrophic injuries, you know better than anybody that there really is no amount of money that's worth what you're going through. Having said that, the way that our system is set up, we have to put a monetary value on your pain and suffering, what you're going through, what you've gone through in the past, what you're going to go through in the future. That's part of why you bring us on the case. I mean, we do a lot more than that, obviously, as we present and prove your case, prove who's at fault and things like that. But in terms of your pain and suffering, that's where the big cases come from. I just had a trucking case I settled. It was $1.75 million. The client had obviously medical treatment that had to be paid for out of the settlement, but the value driver was the client's pain and suffering. That is significant. And to me, that is almost always worth more than what the medical bills are, because medical bills are really just paying doctors for their treatment for you, which thank God for the doctors and that they can treat you. But that money is not going in your pocket. That's going to pay for the medical treatment. The money that is going to go in your pocket is the lost wages, but more so and more impactful will be the money for pain and suffering. And that's where you see these settlements and these verdicts in the millions of dollars. And so in these trucking cases, especially, oftentimes there are millions and millions of dollars in insurance coverage and different layers of insurance. The money is there to pay for those injuries, that pain and suffering that they've caused you. But it's our job to prove that. If you're in that situation and you want to talk about specifics with your case, the value of your case, I'd be happy to sit down and talk to you personally. Give me a call and be happy to talk to you. Appreciate your time.